वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 12 के सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश का होमवर्क, जो कि दिनांक 28 जुलाई 2021 को दिया गया है। इस होमवर्क के अंतर्गत हमें 5 क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं। हम सभी क्वेश्चन के आंसर देखेंगे, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डिड मदर वार्न डॉगलेस अगेंस्ट रिवर याकीमा। यहाँ आंसर लिखेंगे, डॉगलेस हैड अ डीप रूटेड फियर ऑफ वाटर इन हिज माइंड। ही वांटेड टू ओवरकम इट बाय लर्निंग स्विमिंग. His mother warned him against learning swimming in the Yakima River because it was quite ferocious and treacherous. Next, second question है, why did Douglas choose the YMCA pool to learn to swim? यहाँ आंसर लिखेंगे, when Douglas decided to overcome his childhood fear of water, he preferred to go to YMCA swimming pool to learn swimming. Because it was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and although it was 9 feet at the other end, the drop was quite gradual. Third question है, what accident took place with the author at the YMCA pool? यहाँ आंसर लिखेंगे, a bully boy tossed him into the deep end of water. He was frightened beyond measure but did not lose his wits. He took a big jump from the bottom, came to the surface and paddled to the edge of the pool. The drowning incident affected his later life deeply. Next question है, what did Douglas plan to save himself when he went down for the first time in water? यहाँ आंसर लिखेंगे, though Douglas was extremely frightened, he had his wits intact, so on his way down, he started to plan. He decided that when his feet would hit the bottom, he would make a big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and then paddle to the edge of the pool. Question 5th है, use the following phrasal verb in your own sentences. यहाँ phrasal verbs दे रखे हैं जिनसे हमें sentences बनाने हैं। phrasal verb है सबसे पहले knock down, तो यहाँ सेंटेंस इससे रिलेट होगा, she was knocked down by a car and badly mangled. नेक्स्ट सेकंड है toss into, यहाँ सेंटेंस बनेगा, he glanced at the letter and then tossed it into the bin. नेक्स्ट थर्ड फ्रेजल वर्ब है hang on, यहाँ सेंटेंस बनाएंगे, the child hung on to her mother and would not let go of her हैंड्स। तो ये था क्लास 12 के सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश का कंप्लीट होमवर्क। हम इसी तरह से अन्य सब्जेक्ट्स के होमवर्क भी देखते रहेंगे, तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे चैनल के साथ। वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।